Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the saturation in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by clicking on the clipboard in the main menu or by pressing the escape key and selecting settings. From here select graphics and scroll down to the bottom into the effects section. In this section look for saturation. As you can see, you can lower it as low as -75 or as high as +75. Of course, you can see the effects on the screen. Adjust it to your liking. After you are done here, hit apply and close. Next, hit return to game, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.